Hi guys, my name's Ellie, welcome to my channel, and we've got a thing. Got Wantable. It's actually Friday evening, hence why everything's kind of weird and overexposed, but I've had a long week and I would enjoy opening this, and since I open it on camera with you guys, we're doing it now. Not sure I'm going to try anything on yet, I'll try on everything eventually for you guys, but I just want to open it. I want to see what's in it, I'm excited, I could use it. So there are, again, the bag, the things. I'm actually going to, nope, that's not going to work for me. I was going to see if I could, like, set it to the side. I can't really. So, let's see. This looks familiar. What? Okay, slight problem. They sent me this exact top last, maybe? This looks a lot like what I got last month. I'll have to double check. But it looks almost exactly like it. So I'll have to try it on and see if it's different. But it's, you know, a little crissy-crossy black wrap top. This is different. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay. So this is kind of a distressed pinky shirt with like a nice little tie. It looks really comfy. But a lot of the point of why I'm doing this type of subscription box instead of just buying clothes that I see is because I need some more stuff to wear to work. And I can't wear this to work. This is also $48. So it might be comfy, but that's probably not staying. I haven't even tried it on, and I know that's probably not staying. Ooh, this looks like pants. Good, I need pants. These look like black work pants. Let's see what the leg looks kind of straight. Nice sturdy. Yeah. Oh, the cut looks funny. I don't know why the cut of the leg looks extra funny. But we'll see. So, black pants that would be very helpful for work. Ooh. I knocked something over. This is... oh no. Oh no. I don't know if you're like me, but most of the clothes that are flat into like a line here and then go out look bad. Look really, really bad. It takes a very specific body shape to make that not look funny. And this does not look promising. This looks, as much as I love me some Grandma Glam, this looks like bad Grandma Glam. Like somebody's trying to upcycle a moo-moo. Maybe I shouldn't do these on the ends of days, because I'm sassier this time. Ooh, I like the touch of this. What is happening? What are you doing? Okay. Ooh, I'm interested. I don't know how it works, but I'm interested. How does it work? Okay. So, this is, if I can get it, so this is a dress with cold shoulder tops and some lacing detail in the front. I think it's a dress. It looks like a dress. I'm interested in this. I'm excited about this. That looks good. Sorry. I found a snag on my nail and it's bothering me. This is a little pouch. Let's see what's in the little pouch. Oh, earrings. So these are cute, but they are similar to something I already have and paid probably quite a bit less for. So we're just going to put them right on back in the pouch. I have plans for my ears, but currently the plan is not wearing earrings. I want to get anybody who might be like me and grew up in the 90s and or earlier, you probably got your ears pierced really badly at someplace like Claire's or icing or something like that with a piercing gun. So I have some scar tissue in my lobe that makes wearing earrings really weird, and I want to get them re-pierced properly with like an actual like gauge needle and healed nicely, and then I can wear earrings without having weirdness. You know, like, if you have your ears pierced by a piercing gun, you understand the likelihood of weirdness. So, that's our plan. Until we do that, I'm just really not worrying about piercings in my lobe. I've got my regular piercings in. We're not worrying about anything else. And then we have pants, more pants? More pants. These also look like black work pants. Are these the same or similar? Okay, so these are similar, but they have like an elastic waistband instead of an actual like button zipper type thing. So we'll see. I actually am feeling excited. I want to try out some of these things and see how they fit. So I might film it. I might just film it tomorrow with the better lighting, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I found a way to set up my mirror in a way that might actually give some actual checking out of the outfit. So I'm conflicted about this dress because it's very comfy. I like the sleeves. I like this part. I just kind of wish it was more fitted and out, and I know I can belt it, and like it's a good length, but I don't know. So we're gonna try the rest on and see how we're feeling. But I do like the color. I like how this sits. Hold on. If we're just talking about the top, I can show you this way. So it sits really nicely based on where my bra tends to hit. I could get a different bra, or I could just not care about the straps being out, which is probably what I would do, because I'm really lazy about buying specific bras. But yeah, like the color, the fit, everything, the fact that you can move this, it's nice, but I'm not sold yet. So I hope you guys can see what I mean by it just not sitting right on the boobs. The fact that it just kind of is in here, you can't see that well. It makes it kind of ruched and weird on the actual boobs. So that's why I don't like this cut of dress. Now, I can't show you the pants that well. We'll try. We'll try carefully. So they're kind of, hold on. So they're mainly solid black pants. They've got just kind of some extra fabric around the knee that I'm not the most excited about. But they are, like, they go pretty high up. They're fitted in. I don't know. I don't know yet. So technically, this top is different. The sleeves are fitted instead of kind of flared out. It's got a different detail here where you can kind of like put your thumb through it and it twists down. Instead of having multiple layers of crossing down, it's just got one panel. So this is a nice top, but the fact that it's back to back with a different black wrappy type top means I probably am not keeping it. As for the pants, I don't know. We'll just go down. They're kind of tight on my calves, but not on my knees. And I don't know if that's something that will like relax with usage or what. Yeah, the fit's fine. It would just be adjusting to pants again. I wear a lot of exercise pants because I'm lazy and they're comfortable and they're solid black and they go with everything. So I will have to form some opinions about these pants. I'm liking them the longer they're on, and I do need some nice black pants for work, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll probably make some more decisions in the morning. Other than the dress, this tank top might be my favorite piece. I really like how it cut the neckline. The sleeves are good. It's nice. I like the peeking up and back down. The pocket is a little weird. I feel like it's I don't know, I don't think that's gonna dry the same way when you wash it. But yeah, this is a nice, comfy, well-fitted t-shirt. So it's the next day. I have obviously done other things. Put on a dress. I really like this dress, by the way. It's got cactuses. Cacti. But I keep yelling cactuses because that makes me happy. I don't think I'm keeping anything out of Wantable this month. I think there's some items in there that if they were a little different I would like the pants, just nothing fit quite right, and those are pants that if I'm keeping, I'll be wearing them a lot, so I want the fit to be right, and it's just, they were kind of weird in different ways. That black top, like the little wrap top, I would have liked that. I really did. It's a nice piece, but it's not worth my money when I got basically the same top last month. So, yay for finding something that I like, but you sent me what I already have it, basically. I know there's slight differences, but not enough to be worth owning both of them. If that other one had been in a different color, yes, totally would have kept, but it's a black one, so it's the same as the one I have, practically. and the dress. I'm conflicted on the dress because I like parts of it, but I also don't think the overall fit is something that I'm gonna like. I think I got it really excited about the off-the-shoulder thing and like the lace-up, and I liked that part, but the rest of the dress is kind of a sack. There's no in and out, and I understand having something more flowy and nice and bohemian, but when you're my size and you do have a bit of an in and out, like I have body shape, hiding that makes me look even heavier than I am. So, as much as I like the color and the lace-up and the off-the-shoulder detail, I don't want to pay for it and then also have to alter the shape of it to have it give me shape. And then the t-shirt, it's nice, but I'm not... It was comfy, and I do like a distressed looking t-shirt top, but I already have a lot of t-shirts. That's an expensive t-shirt, and I am already trying to fit all of my fun clothes into the weekend, so having another piece that I can't wear to work is not ideal. Not something I want to spend that much money on. So. Oh, and the earrings. We talked about the earrings. I'm not keeping the earrings. Yeah, so it's unfortunate, but it also means that I have more money to do other stuff, like buy cactus dresses, because I saw this at Target. If they'd sent me this cactus dress, I would have bought it. Wantable. So I'm going to hopefully give some constructive feedback on why I'm not keeping the pieces, and then I will get a better box next month, because they got some stuff. Like, I like that they're sending me pants. I like that I'm having pant options. I just, again, pants are weird, so it's really hard to send the right fit for somebody if you don't have their measurements and they're like a picture of how their body shape works. And the parts that are not fitting the best on me might fit somebody else perfectly who doesn't have the same preferences for how clothes are sitting on them. Like, some people won't care about baggier Ds. I don't know. Pants are hard. Dresses and tops are easy. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. And sorry that I didn't keep anything, but thanks for watching. Do you like my makeup? I like my makeup. We're actually gonna go out tonight and see a movie and be active social people. Hence, fancy dress. I really like this detail. I feel like I should be able to like send them pictures and be like, this, send me something like this but different. Because I really like the strappy detail. It's got some cage detail in the back. But yeah, I'll send my feedback and see if next month we improve. Which is a little sad because the first month I really, really liked the box. I was really excited, and now this month is kind of a But that's what happens with subscription boxes. So I'm gonna give it a couple more things, and then we'll see if it evens out as overall a good box or overall a bad box for me personally. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Quick last minute update. I'm keeping the dress. I was doing my checkout and you actually like, you see the pricing and it's fine. On here it says $58, so that was quite a bit for a dress that didn't have a lot of shape. But when I got through going through and commenting on which items I liked and didn't like and why, and like order notes, dress was on sale. So instead of being $58, it was $28. And since you already paid $20 for your for like the shipping thing, and that goes towards your order, this was another $8. So I will pay $8 for this dress, because if you're like me, you can kind of consider what you've paid on the subscription as already gone. So I will pay $8 or $28 for this dress. So I'm keeping one thing. And my boyfriend will like it because he loves cold shoulder tops. Again, thanks for watching. Don't judge me.